Ford's 2025 GT Mach-EV is a masterpiece of high performance designed to excel on both the track and the road. The body is encased in lightweight carbon fiber, which serves as a remarkable illustration of aerodynamic engineering. This vehicle is engineered for speed and precision, from its adjustable rear wing and enormous rear diffuser to its aggressive front splitter. The racing heritage of the vehicle is underscored by the sweeping lines that accentuate its low-slung, streamlined profile. The GT maintains its motorsport heritage while incorporating LED headlamps and signature flying buttresses, which lend it a contemporary aesthetic. The cockpit's design is wholly centered on performance. The minimalist dashboard is equipped with state-of-the-art technology such as a completely digital instrument cluster that delivers real-time performance data. The Formula One-inspired steering wheel boasts incorporated controls and paddle shifters, providing a driver-centric experience. The interior materials are primarily composed of carbon fiber and alcantara, which imparts a luxurious appearance without introducing superfluous weight. Although the rear compartment is cramped, it serves to underscore the vehicle's singular emphasis on performance over comfort. The 2025 GT Mach-EV is equipped with a twin-turbocharged 3.5 liters EcoBoost V6 engine that is capable of generating an astonishing 800 horsepower. This capacity enables the vehicle to accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in a mere 2.8 seconds. Although fuel efficiency is not its primary concern, the GT Mach-EV achieves an average of approximately 14 mpg, indicating that speed and power are prioritized. The GT Mach-EV is competitive with supercar titans such as the Lamborghini Huracan and McLaren 720S. It provides an unparalleled driving experience at a price point of approximately $1.7 million. Its adaptive suspension and active aerodynamic system guarantee a smooth and responsive ride on any surface, enhancing its razor-sharp handling. Safety features are equally remarkable, featuring a reinforced carbon fiber monocoque that provides enhanced durability, advanced traction control, and stability management. The Ford GT Mach-EV is an exceptional choice for those who desire a supercar that is both dependable and thrilling. It is a unique choice for both collectors and enthusiasts as it seamlessly integrates practicality with exhilarating performance. The GT Mach-EV is not merely a vehicle, it is a bold declaration of innovation, usability, and performance.